Today's video topic is how to quit smoking. Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to quit smoking. Smoking is a difficult habit to break, but it's also one of the most important things you can do for your health. Quitting smoking can greatly reduce your risk of cancer, heart disease, and other serious health problems. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and strategies to help you quit smoking for good. 1. Set a quit date. The first step in quitting smoking is to set a quit date. Choose a date that is within the next 2 weeks and make sure to mark it on your calendar. This will give you time to prepare and get ready to quit. 2. Get support. Quitting smoking is much easier when you have support from family, friends, or a support group. Talk to someone you trust and let them know you're quitting smoking. They can offer encouragement and help keep you on track. 3. Identify your triggers. Smoking is often triggered by certain situations or emotions. Identifying the triggers that make you want to smoke, such as stress, boredom, or social situations. Once you know your triggers, you can develop strategies to avoid or cope with them. 4. Make a plan. Develop a plan to help you quit smoking. This might include using nicotine replacement therapy, like nicotine gum or patches, or finding alternative activities to replace smoking. Write down your plan and refer to it often. 5. Take it one day at a time. Quitting smoking is a process, and it's important to take it one day at a time. Don't get discouraged if you slip up or have a relapse. Keep focusing on your goal and take each day as it comes. Quitting smoking is a difficult but rewarding journey. Remember, you're not alone in this process. There are many resources available to help you quit smoking, including support groups, online resources, and counseling. By taking small steps and staying committed to your goal, you can successfully quit smoking and enjoy a happier, healthier life. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.